Hello and welcome! If you like fishing for predatory fishes like bass or pike, for example, you will definitely need to check out these two gadgets I'm gonna show you in a moment. You can also like the video if you'll find it useful, which will help Google algorithm to rank it higher in search so that more people would see it and would be able to consider whether they need these or not. Also, you can subscribe to the channel if you would like to support it and see more gadgets like these. I love pike fishing, and when I'm lucky to catch one, I always find it difficult to remove the lures or hooks from its mouth due to the fact that the teeth of this fish are really dangerous, not only for our fishes, but for anglers as well. They can easily cut through our flesh, which isn't the best experience, believe me. Yesterday, I have received these pliers and grippers, which I've ordered from Amazon, and I'll put the links in the description. I've actually considered buying special fishing gloves for such occasions, but why you need gloves if you can have these instead? To me, they look pretty nice, and I will be really happy if they work as well as they look. I'm not gonna talk about the packaging as I don't really care about it, and probably the same applies to you, so let us just get rid of it and have a look at these two items instead. We've got these fishing pliers, which are made from aluminum alloy with a protective coating on the surface, which protects the tool against corrosion and rust. At least, that is what they say. In my case, as I will be mainly fishing in fresh water, these pliers won't rust for a few years, and I will try to keep them dry after each usage. But if you're mainly fishing in salt water, you will notice corrosion signs in a few years. We also have a case for them. There is a built-in plunge lock which allows you to open or lock the pliers freely with just one finger, and the spring bearing, which is made from stainless steel. On the top, we've got a line cutter which should cut any type of fishing line. Let us test it and have a look whether it works as smooth as it should. As you can see, it cuts the line like through butter, so yes, it does work as promised. Now, let us have a look at the jaw tips. You will easily remove hooks or lures with them from fish's mouth, split rings, press sleeves, hold hooks and do other stuff with them. These pliers are pretty light, and when you hold them, they seem to be reliable and you've got a pretty good grip. Also, you can easily attach them to your clothes or vest by using this carabiner at the back. In general, I would say that it is a handy gadget to have when you fish for predators like bass or pike, but it is for you to decide whether you need one or not. Now let us have a look at the gripper. The thing that I like about it is that you can easily operate it with just one hand by just pulling this trigger, which opens the locking jaw. It has non-slip handle, and the best part is that it also has an accurate scale stand which is built in and can weigh the fish up to 40 pounds. In this case, you don't need scales as all that you need is already there. Do you need them or similar ones? Honestly, I don't know. The only person who can answer this question is yourself. I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions you'd like to ask, comment below under the video and I'll try to answer all of them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.